What is up, you guys? Today we have this 2011 Lexus CT200 for a full detail. Exterior is not that bad, but interior is quite dirty, so there's going to be a lot of extraction in this video. So sit down, relax and enjoy.
As usual, we started off with the wheels. First of all, we rinsed it down with the pressure washer. After that, we used wheel cleaner, let it sit for about 30-40 seconds to get the best results. And after that, we used the wheel brush and the little brush for the final touches as well. After the wheels, I go with the snow foam and use the brush all around the car as well to get to this hard to reach places like fuel cap, window sills and on the brand signs as well, plus the grills, because that gives the best results. Rinsing the whole car with the pressure washer and drying it out with the towel, that would be my next step. Starting off with the interior, good hoover and sometimes lily brush to get the pet's hair off. It's a very good way to go with. car mats were in really good condition, so carpet cleaner diluted 1 to 10, bit of a brush, and the extraction, that was enough to get them perfect. The worst part of the interior were the seats, but after a few passes with extractor, even them, they came out really good, nice, clean and fresh. Door cards, interior trim, steering wheel and a dash, they were treated with APC diluted 1 to 10. After that, wiped down with 2 separate cloths and protected with Aerospace 303 for that long lasting protection. Last part of the detail was renewing the headlights, and with the drill attachment and Maguire's Plast RX, they came out pretty much like brand new. Hope you enjoyed the detail, guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more great transformations coming soon.